Grade 5, welcome back from spring break. I hope you had a wonderful time. This week's lesson is about a speech that Jesus gave on the mountain, and it's called Sermon on the Mountain. One of Jesus' sermons is called the Sermon on the Mount. He talked about God's love. Then he went right out and showed us what God's love looks like. And we call these the Beatitudes. This is how Jesus wanted us to live. The word beatitude comes from Latin beatitudo, meaning blessedness. What do these Beatitudes mean for us today? These are Jesus' teachings on true happiness. Following the Beatitudes means making the choice to put God before everything else. And here the 8 Beatitudes. Not to worry, because when I see you next week, we're going to go through each and every Beatitude and why they are necessary for us. Blessed are the poor in spirit, for theirs is the kingdom of heaven. So I simplified it by saying, depend on God. Don't let material things get in the way of loving God and others. The second one is, blessed are they who mourn, for they will be comforted. And here's my explanation. Share other people's sorrows or joys. Don't set yourself apart from others. In other words, listen to others' pain. The third one is, blessed are the meek, for they will inherit the land. Learn to be gentle with people and things. Don't try to get your way by violence or bullying. Number 4, blessed are they who hunger and thirst for righteousness, for they will be satisfied. What does this mean? Work hard to make sure that all people are treated justly. Do what you can to change unjust conditions. Number 5, blessed are the merciful, for they will be shown mercy. Forgive others and ask their forgiveness. Let compassion, not anger, rule your life. Number 6, blessed are the clean of heart, for they will see God. Turn your attention only toward what is good and right. Be faithful to God and God's ways, and this is also making good choices. Number 7, blessed are the peacemakers, for they will be called children of God. Work to bring people together. Don't contribute to quarrels or fights. Look for ways to solve problems peacefully. When I think about number 7, I think about people who really try to make peace. I think about Mandela. I think about Martin Luther King. I think about Mother Teresa. Number 8, blessed are they who are persecuted for their sake of righteousness, for theirs is the kingdom of heaven. And what does this mean? In difficult times, keep trusting in God and standing up for what is right. So all these are sayings that Jesus gave to his disciples. And we look at them, we examine them. So after reading them, study them. There's a little short video that I'm going to post. And so next week, we'll discuss them and we'll have a little